Hey folks, today I'm going to teach you the absolute fastest way to access your vaccination card or any important document on your iPhone or Android. And best of all, you don't need to use a third-party app. Coming up next on Tech Talk America. Hey folks, and welcome to the class. I'm going to start by showing you how to do this on the iPhone, then we'll move on to Android. So Android users, I want you to go ahead and fast forward to that time code. When Apple released iOS 15, they introduced a new feature making it possible to alter certain types of metadata found inside of your photos. Now, just to be clear, you've always been able to do this on the Mac, but this is the first time that you've been able to do it on your iPhone. If you're not familiar with the term, metadata refers to information found inside the file of a photo other than the image itself. So for example, the date, location, exposure, camera information, etc. So on your iPhone, I want you to navigate to the photo of your vaccination card. Then I want you to tap on this little inspector icon that you see at the bottom. The first way that we can access that image is by changing the date. And what I recommend you do is change it to some date way far out in the future. So for example, you could change it to the year 3000. That will ultimately do two things. First of all, when you open up the Photos app, that image will always be last. The other option is you can use Siri. So for example, I could say, "Hey Siri, show me photos that I took in the year 3000, at which point there's only one image to display. The second way that you can quickly access that image is by changing the location. So if we go back to the inspector, you'll notice here at the bottom, we have a map showing where the image was taken. And just to the right is an option to adjust that location. What I recommend you do is change it to a location that you've never been to and never will. I grew up in New England, I hate winter, so I feel fairly confident that I'll never travel to Antarctica. So now, anytime I need to access that image, I can just say, "Hey Siri, show me photos that I took in Antarctica." Option number 3 is you can create a fake contact and then set your photo of your vaccination card as the profile image. So for example, if I create a fake contact named Anita Vaccine, here at the top, I can just tag that image. Now to access that image via Siri, all I need to do is say, "Hey Siri, show me photos that I took of Anita Vaccine." So which one of these creative solutions did you go with? Let me know about it down below in the comments section. Okay, Android users, the first step is I want you to navigate to the photo of your vaccination card, then give the following command to Bixby. "Hi Bixby, move current photo to vaccination card album in gallery." At this point, Bixby's gonna see that there is no album by that name, and as a result, it will create one. So anytime you need to access that image, just use the following command. "Hi Bixby, display vaccination card album in the gallery." By the way, you should also know that you can use this same technique with other types of important documents like your passport, driver's license, legal documents, loyalty cards, and more. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to take a quick moment and hit that thumbs up like button. Leave me a little comment down below, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.